In this video, I'll show you how to find Roblox games to play. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Roblox account, right? So I made a video about how you can sign up to Roblox and what you should know if you are starting Roblox newly, right? So ensure you check out my channel. I'll be dropping the videos in my channel, so ensure you watch it through and learn all you need to learn. So if you want to find games on Roblox, what you should click on, you should click on this chart, right? But before then, you can see that there is a whole lot of game recommendations for you, right? A whole lot of game recommendations for you. So all these are the games you can play here on Roblox. You even got this Super League Soccer to play if you want to play it. So there's a whole lot of games for you to play here on Roblox, right? So but what you need to you need to click on this chart, right? You need to click on this chart to find very amazing games for you, top recommended games, best rated games, like a whole lot of games right here. So you need to click on the chart. Okay, you can see from this displayed options, you can see that these games right here are the top trending games right now in Roblox, right? So this is the up and coming game. So if you want to have fun with your friends, like you want to chill with your friends, this is the game for you. This is the top revisited game here on Roblox. This is the top earning games, right? So you can see there's a whole lot for you. This is the top paid assets. This is the most popular games. You can see this one already has 404,000 users, 350,000 Roblox users. So these are the top rated. These are the top trending music experiences. So this is basically how you can find Roblox games to play. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.